Hello everyone, I'm Zhiwei Liu. I will represent my team to summarize the Financial Misinformation Detection Challenge. This is the outline. In finance, accurate information is essential for market stability, decision-making, risk management, trust, and regulatory compliance. But with the rise of social media, financial misinformation like biased news and fake investment schemes has become more widespread, impacting market price and economic sentiment. Detecting such misinformation manually is costly and time-consuming, making automated detection a vital area of research. To build trust and transparency, it is also important for these automated models to explain their decisions clearly, making them more practical for investors, regulators, and the financial community. While large language models are transforming finance with their ability to analyze, predict, and support decisions, their potential for tracking financial misinformation remains largely unexplored. So to explore how well LLMs can detect financial misinformation, we introduce the Financial Misinformation Challenge. This shared task includes a publicly available dataset specifically designed for this purpose. We apply the dataset from FMD Llama. Using this data, we design a prompt query template to adapt LLMs to identify financial claims and give explanations for their decision according to the related information. This task is based on FMD Llama dataset, which includes a wide range of financial claims sorted into categories like income, finance, economy, budget, taxes, and debt. Each claim is labeled as true, false, or not enough information. Table 1 and Figure 3 presents the information in the dataset. The goal is to test how well large language models can verify financial claims and explain their reasoning. For training and evaluation, we use the basic prompt template to guide the models. Also, participants are encouraged to adjust the template to make full use of all information. In the template, task prompt denotes the instruction for the task. For example, let the model determine whether the claim is true, false, or not enough information based on the contextual information, and provide an appropriate explanation. Claim and context are the claim text and the contextualization content from the raw data respectively. Output 1 and 2 are the outputs from LM. During the testing phase, we conducted the automatic evaluation using the Hugging Face platform. We randomly selected 40% of the test dataset for the public evaluation phase, while the remaining 60% was used for private dataset. The score on the public split was shown on the leaderboard in real time. The score on the private split was shown after the deadline. The final rankings are based on the private split performance. This task adopts micro F1 for misinformation detection evaluation and the road scores for explanation evaluation. The average of F1 and the road 1 score is applied as the final ranking metric. This slide presents the results on public split and the private split. Figure 4 shows the results on the public split. Figure 5 shows the results on private parts. 32 teams have registered for the FMD challenge, out of which 8 teams have valid results on the leaderboard and submitted their solution papers. Table 2 shows the final ranking. We employ 2 baseline models from FMD Llama and the GPT 3.5 Turbo. FMD Llama is an open-source instruction following LLM for FMD tasks based on fine-tuning Llama 3.1 8B instruct with the instruction dataset. GPT 3.5 Turbo is one typical variant of OpenAI's products. This slide shows the methods each team used. DNAM-ML team employs data augmentation using a general domain misinformation dataset to address data scarcity in the financial domain. They first collect claims and labels, generate evidence, and then construct few-shot examples on the augmented data based on sentence embedding similarity and perform supervised fine-tuning. JJ Bond team fine-tunes Llama 3.2 11B Vision Instruct model using both text and image information. They first design specialized prompts to enable the Llama 3.2 Vision model to choose the most relevant image and convert it into corresponding textual descriptions, including image description, contextual information, and relevant details. They subsequently apply LoRa to fine-tune the Llama 3.2 11B Vision Instruct model on the processed data. One 800 shared task team trains various LLMs through a sequential fine-tuning approach. They began by fine-tuning failed open-source LLMs, including Queen, Llama 3, Mistral, PHI-3, and Gemma for classification, then select the best performing models for a second stage of fine-tuning for joint classification and explanation generation. The ROX team enhanced GPT-4o Mini through instruction tuning and compares their results with various LLMs, including Vicuna, Mistral, Llama 2 Chat, and Llama 3.1, ChatGPT, and GPT-4o Mini. JMU-MU team fine-tunes Llama 3.1 8B directly on financial datasets and also explores a few-shot prompt approach for comparison. Ask Esper team introduced a two-step framework using GPT-4o Mini, including fine-tuning and verification steps. Team FMD-LM fine-tunes Llama 3.2 1B Instruct and investigates two key factors, like label prediction order and metadata. Capybara team enhance various LLMs by combining retrieved evidence with a financial chain of thought prompt. They start by using a search engine to gather summarized information as supporting evidence. Then, they introduce the financial COT framework, which focuses on three dimensions: alignment, accuracy, and generalization. This approach is designed to help LLMs concentrate more on reasoning during predictions, improving their ability to reason effectively within the context of financial information. As shown in Table 3, the experimental results highlight the remarkable performance of various teams in the FMD task, especially for those that employed fine-tuning strategy with task-specific training data. Notably, DNAM-ML enhanced the general domain misinformation dataset with generated evidence and fine-tuned Llama 3.1 8B, achieving the best performance across all metrics. This highlights the importance of supplementing LLMs with additional structured knowledge to improve their task comprehension. Followed by JJ Bond and 1-800 shared tasks teams, who make full use of both textual and visual information and one sequential fine-tuning approach, respectively. From the results of DROX and JMU-MU, it can be seen that directly fine-tuning LLMs with appropriately designed prompts can achieve relatively good overall performance. However, If the prompt design is inappropriate, the base model is not large, or the optimization strategy is unsuitable, the explanation generation abilities may be highly sensitive and negatively affected, like the road score of JMU-MU. This could also explain why the remaining teams achieved high scores in the classification tasks, but performed average in the explanation generation task. It's also worth noting that Capybara replaced fine-tune with evidence retrieval and the financial chain of thought. While it didn't achieve a high score, it's an interesting approach, potentially reducing the need for computational resources. While LLMs currently struggle to outperform fine-tuned models in specific tasks, this method was further exploration. Overall, supplementing appropriate additional knowledge, utilizing multimodal information, or improving model size can enhance the performance of LLMs on specific tasks. Moreover, exploring alternatives to fine-tune LLMs is also worth further consideration. This is the summary. We introduced our motivation, the dataset used in this challenge, and the automatic evaluation platform. We also present the participants and final ranking. We then briefly outline the methods of each team. Finally, discuss the current methods and the potential approaches to explore. These are our organizers. Many thanks for their contributions. That's all. Thanks for your listening.